This year, Kettle Moraine Heating and Air Conditioning, in partnership with Lennox Feel the Love, was able to donate a furnace, an air conditioner, and a humidifier to a wonderful woman in our local community.
On August 10th, I was woken up by my golden retriever, and when I came out here to open up my windows, I saw that my entire house was engulfed with water. It was up to my back door. My basement was full up to the 5th stair. I had to quickly make a decision to get my granddaughter, who was sleeping over for the first time, and my dog, and try to get out. After a few attempts to try to call 911, they were unable to come and help me. Was able to get the car started, and we drove out through the floodwaters. So when the floodwaters finally receded in the basement, it was then apparent that I had lost everything, which in a ranch house, that was my only storage. So everything that we had was gone in the basement, including all of my mechanicals, the furnace, the water heater, the sump pump, the air conditioner. And so I'm grateful for this day to have all these wonderful people helping me and really lending a hand where I need it.
So my husband, Jim, and I, we own a Lennox that was installed by Kettle Moraine. Jim was actually looking at the site from Kettle Moraine and Lennox and found the program Feel the Love, and started reading about the program and the wonderful things that they do for people that are in need. And Jim said, hey, we should nominate Pam. Pam is always there for everyone, and this time it was our turn to help Pam out.
My name is Whitney. I have been involved with Feel the Love for 3 years. This is my first year being on the committee. I had the honor of interviewing different candidates for the installation of a new furnace and air conditioning system. Being able to do this with my family at Kettle Moraine is very inspiring, to get us all to come together on a Saturday morning in the fall and spending our time together, making sure that we give a deserving family what they need.
Hi, I'm Sherry Oblick, and this is my 9th year doing Feel the Love. 9 years at Kettle Moraine Heating, 9 years for Feel the Love. Something that means a lot to me, to do as much volunteer work as I can, and to bring our company together to do this for someone in need has been really rewarding. Pam Wentland came to our attention from one of our customers. Pam has a mission that helps in Tanzania with needs of a village and a community, helping them with resources like raising money for goats, water. It isn't what Pam does for Pam, it's what Pam does for a community that reaches throughout the world.
My name is Brad Kuntz. I'm a territory manager with Lennox. This is my 3rd year of participating in Feel the Love, specifically with Kettle Moraine. Lennox is lucky enough to partner with dealers and contractors in the area, such as Kettle Moraine Heating and Air Conditioning, that then donate their time to install and help the homeowner actually get the equipment in their home.
My name is Jeremy, and this is my son Gunnar. This is our 8th season, our 8th system that we put in for Feel the Love event. It's been a really rewarding opportunity for me and my son to get together and bond and watch him grow up, and it's something he looks forward to every single year.
It's fun to enjoy being able to work outside and inside with all the people here. Just enjoy it and help out the people around us. Especially I get to enjoy time with my dad.
My name's Debbie.
I'm Bill.
And we've been doing this for, 12 jobs. They don't think they deserve this. She started crying when I told her I love what she does for everybody.
Dwayne LeBlanc, General Manager at Kettle Moraine Heating and Air. I'm blessed to be a part of Heat Up Wisconsin since its inception in 2010. Now the Feel the Love program. Doing installs that entire time. Really an amazing program. Through Lennox's commitment to the program and dealers that wanted to take part, it turned into Feel the Love. Great program, great industry, really been a blessing to be in the industry for 35 years, to have a program like Feel the Love, to have sponsors like Lennox and everyone else that puts into the program.
I'm Kim, and I've been part of Feel the Love for 8 years now.
Kettle Moraine gives back to the community in so many ways throughout every year, but this is by far my favorite event. It brings in the whole team. It's a way to give back from the company, from us, and together. And it creates really great bonds among the team, and we build relationships with the recipients. We always try to find recipients from our own communities, the community we serve, because that's a community we all live and work in.
We are humbled to be able to take part in Feel the Love, and we look forward to blessing another local community member next year.